Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be going over our weekly outlook as the trades we're going to be looking at for this coming week. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, before we go over our trades for this week, let me go over some of the trades I called out or I talked about last week and what happened with them. This is GBP AUD. And I said in our last weekly outlook video that I was bullish on this pair. We took another trade on Monday, I think, that stopped me out, but that was just the market trying to fulfill its technical levels. I mean, look at it from this point. I know this is hindsight, but hey, I took the trade. You can see my long tool is still here, and maybe I'll drop a screenshot of my position somewhere here. But look at all the reasons why I took this trade initially. It was at this my level, and here is the first double bottom that I formed here. After this bullish close above, I took the trade somewhere here, put my stops on that. It stopped me out, but I just knew that it was, fixing up for a very big push. So, and I think I was just jumping the gun. So on Tuesday, when I came to the market and saw this clean double bottom and this close, I knew, okay, this could be the move I've been trying to catch all week. So I took my entry, my stops under the level. This is the exact trade, I haven't touched it, and my target above. Yes, I could have squeezed a little bit more, but anytime I'm up to 3%, I usually don't try to get too greedy, so I don't get to lose my profits. But it was a good trade. It was a good win. It covered for the losses I had, so really happy with this trade. There was one on GBP JPY. No, it wasn't here. Card JPY, my bad. There was one on card JPY. It got stopped out of the break even here. Then it broke and we tested this level, and I took another. I said, this would be another great place to get involved in the market. The market moved up, hit 3%, came back down, stopped us out at break even. But just look what happened last week. Moved straight to a take profit. So this was another great trade. But we're not here to talk about past trades. I'm just trying to show you guys like the direction when I'm here talking about the outlook for the week. I'm giving you guys my prediction on the direction of the market. So it doesn't matter the strategy you trade, you could just use the direction. Is meant to be bullish. If you trade the 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minutes, you could look for trades in that direction and capitalize on the moves any way you see fit. But this is how I see the market and how I choose to take advantage of the market. Okay, so let's go over the trades that we're going to be interested in for this week, and we have a lot of them, so let's just dive straight in. So it's the AUD JPY trade. I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish on this pair, but the trade that I'm interested in for the moment has played out, so I can just mark this off and wait to see if it goes into a level that I'll be interested in. Let me get my fib and swing low. Swing high. If it comes back into this region, I'll be looking to see if I can catch a continuation play. It has come back here, but this is like a weak pull back into the level. If it comes up and gives me a chart pattern on the lower time frames, then yeah, okay, I'll just take this off. So I'm bullish on AUD still. Euro USD. I'm bearish on Euro USD. I'm bearish on Euro USD. Here's why. Let me just draw it out. High to low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's a double top, broke down. Now this is the lower low. I'm looking for the market to come in here and give me a chart pattern to take the market lower. So I'm bearish on Euro USD, and the market is currently at my area of interest. So I'll be monitoring this market on the 4-hour time frame to see if it gives me, the chart pattern to take this market to the downside. Bearish on Euro USD. GBP USD, same story. Same story. I should just mark it off. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, equal high. So I'm expecting this market to give me a chart pattern here, maybe like a double top, bring this market back down. So I'm bearish, and if you look, this is still looking like a left head. Market is pushing up to make a right shoulder. So I'm bearish on GBP USD for next week. Okay, and for this week, USD CHF, I'm bullish on USD CHF. The market is very bullish. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, back at the previous low. So right here at my area of interest, I'm looking for a chart pattern to signify that I should buy this market and continue riding into the upside. Bullish on USD CHF. GBP card, I'm bearish on GBP card. I'm bearish on GBP card. High, low, lower high, lower low, back at the previous high. So right here, I'm looking for a chart pattern to take this market back to the downside. Bearish on GBP card. NZD USD, I'm bearish on the NZD USD. The market came here on NFP and gave us like a little rejection, but it wasn't really the move I was looking for. So I'm still waiting for the market to give me a chart pattern. Maybe this week it pulls up and gives me another on top. Maybe it's a double top and I'm engulfing, and I'll be confident to short this market all the way to the downside. So I'm bearish on NZD USD. NZD card, same story. Back at an area of value. Waiting here at my area of interest. So I'll be monitoring this pair closely. So look for entries to ride the market down. GBP AUD. I'm bearish on GBP AUD. If you look, the market has formed something like a head and shoulder. Messy, I must say, but still. Left, head, right shoulder, and it has broken the neckline. So I still expect this market to push down a little bit to give us more of a confirmed break for pulling back into this region. But that nonetheless, I'm bearish on GBP AUD. I'm looking for more downside in this pair. GBP JPY, I'm bullish on GBP JPY. I'm bullish on GBP JPY. GBP JPY broke my heart like 2 weeks ago. Even last week when other pairs were moving, AUD JPY and CAD JPY, it still, it pushed up and it came back and gave up most of those gains. So I'm still bullish on the pair, but it's not really too keen on this pair. Maybe if it gives me a cleaner break, a test of this level with the right rejections, I might be interested in getting in from this place to ride to the upside. But I'm bullish on GBP JPY. The trend is up. The market has broken up, retested, and is facing up. So yeah, I'm bullish on GBP JPY. UAED, I'm bearish on UAED. Same story as GBP AED. Left head, right shoulder break. But the same thing, I'm still looking for a more convincing break of the level retest so I can take the market to the downside. Bearish on UAED. CAD CHF. I'm bullish on CAD CHF. I have been bullish on CAD CHF for a long time. I've just been waiting for the right entries to join the move. All the way from this region, I've been bullish on CAD CHF. Right now is at this point here. I'm waiting to see if I can find the right confirmations to join the move to the upside. If I don't get that, I'll wait for the markets to drop all the way to this side, and I'll still be waiting to ride to the upside. So it's currently at an area of interest, and I'm just monitoring the market and waiting to see confirmations to join the move to the upside. GBP NZD. I'm bullish on GBP NZD. I am bullish on GBP NZD. The market is pulling back into my area of interest, so I'm looking at this area to see if the market will give me the right confirmations to join this market to the upside. But I'm definitely bullish on GBP NZD. AED CHF. I'm bullish on AED CHF, and the market has broken and closed above this area, but I do not like this bearish pin bar over here. That nonetheless, on the 4-hour is looking like it's pulling back. Yeah, so the 4-hour is going to determine if we're going to be taking a trade of this level or not. If the market pulls back into this region and gives us the right confirmation, maybe a chart pattern in this region, I'll be looking to buy this market and ride it all the way to the upside. CAD CHF or CAD JPY, my bad. I'm bullish on this pair, but yeah, I don't have a flag on it. So the pair is bullish. I just don't like that it's in the range. That's why I do not have it in my watch list. It's in the range, so I'm not currently looking to take positions on it. If it could break out of this point, great retest, then yeah, to be back on my watch list for to trade. But the way it's forming in this region, I'm not happy with this range, so I'm just going to stay out of the way. Okay, so I think that's all the pairs that are on my watch list. Look at my watch list. All the pairs I have on my watch list are trending beautifully, are trending nicely. The ones that are not have one comma or the other. Just look at this. Look at this. This pair is looking like it's bearish. High, low, lower high, lower low. So I'm looking for let me just turn this one because the direction is pretty clear. But then again, I'm bullish on the JPYs, so I'm not sure I'll be interested in taking shots on this. I'll just stay off the markets instead of taking shots on this. But structure wise is bearish. Okay, like I said, high, low, lower high, lower low. This could be the point of the lower high, and it's currently at that area. So if you're looking to trade this, maybe wait for another push to make a double top, then look to ride to the downside, or you scroll down the lower time frames and watch for a chart pattern maybe on the 1 hour in this region to take the trade to the downside. Me, on the other hand, I'm not going to be interested. I'm bullish on the JPY pairs. I've just been looking. Reason why I to look at the NZD JPY as it has been doing its thing. And I'm not trying to trade it because it has just been moving in the opposite direction. NZD CHF knocking UNZD and UCHF not clean. Gold. Gold has been a monster of a move. Has been a monster of a move. No significant pullbacks. Maybe if you're a lower time frame trader, you must have been getting opportunities to get involved in gold, but yeah, it's trending, but it's trending a little bit too aggressive for my tastes. This is a pretty nice level. The market pulls back here and gives confirmations. I'll be willing to take a stab at it. But gold on the higher time frames has just been massive move, no significant pullback. So I'm not one to call the top, but it definitely looks like it would need. This has been 3 months of bullish pressure, 1, 2, 3, without any significant red candle to correct any of these moves. So I wouldn't be surprised if gold starts to come down in the future. But for now, hey, still bullish, still moving up. The market goes back to, let me call it, 2302.000. That's a beautiful round psychological level for the market to bounce up from. So yeah, that's that on gold. AD cards not ready. USD JPY, look at it. I'm not interested. Euro NZD, not interested. Euro JPY, I'm bullish, but it's just not the best. I picked the best ones on the list to trade, so I'm not interested in this Euro JPY if I'm being honest. AD USD, I must say of all the USD pairs, AD USD is the only one that I'm still a little bit not bullish. I wouldn't say bullish per se, but it's the only one that hasn't broken into a very structure to me. Low, I'll be high to low, lower high, lower low. It broke up here into a bullish structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high. The market has failed to take out this low. That's why this line is here. It came here, higher low, and it has pushed above this level. We tested it, and it's looking like it's pushing up. So AUD USD has been the black sheep of the pair, of the USD pairs, So it's funny, but I'm just not going to get involved with AUD USD because the rest of them are actually trending the other way. If it plays out, it's fine. If it pulls back into this area, if you like to trade, if it pulls back into this area and gives you confirmations, you can look to go long. But I personally, I stand with the majority of the pairs, and I'll just look to see if there are opportunities to short them during the week. USD card, no. UA card, no. UGB, no. So, like I said, if you look at my pairs, if you look at the difference between my flag pairs and on flag pairs, you see my flag pairs are always trending. They're always trending nicely. All these other ones are just misbehaving. Let's look at indices briefly. Hmm. SPX, it pulled back into this beautiful level and rejected nicely. It's bullish. It's bullish. You're only looking to buy this pair. It's very bullish and clean. If it pulls back into this level, you look for I'll be looking for opportunities to join the trade, or I'll be waiting for a break and retest of this level. But definitely bullish. I think all the indices pairs are bullish. Yeah, US32, US32. But right here would have been a good opportunity for you to pick up longs, because low, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, back to the previous support. This would have been a beautiful opportunity to pick up longs, see if you can ride it to the upside. But yeah, any opportunity, the market pulls back here, gives confirmations, you can always buy from this region back to the upside. If the market breaks and retests this previous high here, you can look for long opportunities to take to the upside. So the indices pairs are bullish in my opinion. Let's look at Nasdaq. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. High, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal high, back to the previous low. So the Nasdaq is bullish. The indices are bullish in my opinion, and you should just be looking for areas to join the market to the upside. So that is going to be it for this video. Like I said, I'm doing a series, explaining to the newer traders how, many of all these terminologies we're using here, how I'm able to do this. Many things that might take a while for them to grasp. I'm trying to go through them in the videos in series so that they'll be able to catch up. And I'm almost at the area of strategy. I will just speak more on structure than strategy. So if you're new and all this is still confusing to you, go back in the video and you'll be able to find the beginning and watch up to the point I've done. But from this week, I'm going to be posting more videos, and just take your time. Do not rush yourself. Go through the videos. You'll definitely catch up. Okay? So thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.